This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub.
Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna have a little revisit of an old friend, Stormberg. So even though I stopped promoting Stormberg in my channel for a while, because I think mainly because Stormberg, they only sell to Norway and we have viewers all over the world, so it's somewhat limited how many people can buy the Stormberg products. Yeah, we stopped that, but they asked me if I want gavekort, I want a discount code. I was like, yes, I still buy Stormberg products, It's one time Stormberg, always Stormberg. So of course I say Dankeschön if they want to give me some Stormberg products. Basically I choose what to buy and then the discount, and then so in a way this video is sponsored. But yeah, so we're gonna do an unboxing. So here, first one here, Isabel is really interested in this. Isabel, say. So we have some sandals. Obviously this is for Isabel. Let me check here. Oh yeah. You like them, huh? You want to try them? Oh yeah. So we have her size. There was only one left, so like, woohoo. Yes, okay, here you go, Isabel. You can put them on. Isabel, come on, show the sandals. Yeah, you like them, huh? And here, new jacket for Isabel. This is called yellow, yes. And we have this from before, but it was just smaller. So now she needs a bigger one. Isabel, hey, where's you go? Here's for you, Axel. And then we have the matching yellow for Axel. Axel, Axel. Yay! And then here, well, oh yeah, he wasn't too interested in it. We see he has a hat there. And then that's for Isabel, this is for Axel. Say, what they? Yeah. And then we have some gloves for Isabel. Yeah, you see here? Yeah, Isabel, you can dele, huh? And I can Axel. Axel.
No.
La blue. Huh? They're gonna fight over who's. Nej, dele. The last one here, this is dress for Axel. Yes, Axel. Say, come on. You want to try it on? Come on, baby. You, you. Let's try this. Come on, put it on. We have to check if it fits you. Come on, freaking hot now, huh? Okay. He's around 85 centimeters. Long. Axel, long. No, come on, put it on. Come on, baby. No. No, put it. It's a bit big. None. It's a bit, huh? What? But there's only one size. Okay. This is nice and warm, insulated, windproof, water resistant. Very good. Yeah. Just a bit. Okay. You need to grow bigger. And then, okay. อันนี้อันไหนใครจะเอาอันไหนอ่ะอักษรจะเอาอันไหนอักษรจะสีไหนอ่ะอักษรเลือกเลยอักษรเลือกมันเอาสีไหนเอาอันไหนอ่ะ Is this yours นี่ของอักษรอ่ะ He wants the black, Isabel wants the okay. Oh, it seems to be okay. Look at that. See. Always a hassle to get these kids to try the clothes, huh? Yeah, you like it? Axel, you like the black, huh? You like black?
What the heck?
What the heck? And which is Axel's, huh? Is this 86? Dude, this seems to be nice and warm. Yeah. Well, okay, now the kids, they want to play in the box. He said, Axel, just come in. Isabel, are you a cat? Are you a cat? Is it? Axel, you want to get in there? Okay, yeah, get them there. Isabel, come on, give plus to Axel. Come on, dele. Yeah, come on. Come on, come on. Get in there. No, I'll just pit lang. Okay. Come on, I'm gonna ship you. Yeah, needless to say, I still use Stormberg. This is Stormberg, very nice. Unfortunately, this one, Bjørn, they don't have the exact same anymore. They changed the material on the new Bjørn, which is not as soft as before. You see, I don't have to iron or do anything. I just wash it and then it just superb. And then here also, the shorts here, Stormberg, I like it. There's another one that I like better, but they don't sell it anymore. But at least this is also very nice. This is also Stormberg, the belt, which has seamless adjustment. I like it. And then also, here we also have the Stormberg boxer. And yeah, the only thing is not Stormberg is this, but yeah. So I still have lots of Stormberg. Unfortunately, I don't have the discount code anymore. So for Norwegians, unfortunately, I cannot offer you a discount. You just have to pay full price. But yeah, like I said, one time Stormberg, always Stormberg. So yeah. Anyway, that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.